Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. According to a leading trade body, this is 50% higher than a decade ago. Global debt rose by $10 trillion to a record $307 trillion in the first half of 2023, the Institute of International Finance, IIF, reported on Tuesday. He added that the US, UK and Japan are among the markets driving this increase. According to the IIF, the high interest rate environment in most economies has pushed this number higher, leaving the current debt stock $100 trillion higher than a decade ago. After falling for 7 consecutive quarters, the global debt-to-GDP ratio has continued its upward trajectory in the first 2 quarters of this year, now standing at around 336%, up from 334% in the fourth quarter of 2022. More than 80% of accumulated debt came from mature markets, with the US, Japan, UK and France having the largest increases. In emerging markets, the increase was more pronounced in China, India and Brazil, the IIF said. The report also warns that domestic public debt is reaching alarming levels in many emerging countries. At the same time, the consumer debt burden remains largely manageable in mature markets, leaving more room for further central bank tightening if inflationary pressures persist, the IIF said. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.